Today I am shopping for bar stools for the new house design. I have a very specific style I'm looking for. It's kind of an industrial with a modern twist. I'm gonna go check out a store first. 90% off Christmas. I'm not even in here for this. What am I doing? Sometimes I get a little distracted. Let's hope I don't end up like in the Christmas clearance section or something. I actually really like these. It's kind of distressed and it has like a rustic feel. I love that they swivel. My biggest question is just the sizing at this point. Okay, we may have a problem. Plot twist, that was unsuccessful. The bar stools I was looking at are too tall. It's not gonna work. Don't panic. Seriously, calm down. Thank goodness for the World Wide Web because there are plenty of options to sort through. Sometimes it can be a little time consuming. Before you know it, I'm looking at hundreds of bar stools. At some point, one of the stools speaks to me. Buy me. Buy me. That's the magic of online shopping. It's been a few days and the stools have arrived. I'm now taking them over to the new house. Ugh. Okay, don't panic guys. Small issue, actually really big issue. I cannot get in the house. Oh my goodness. This would literally only happen when I'm filming a video. Breathe in, out. Apparently they changed the garage code, so I'm texting them trying to get the new code. Fingers crossed we'll get it soon because I really don't have that much time to put these tools together today. Breathe, Joe. Just breathe. Good news, we got the new code. I told you guys there was nothing to worry about. I am so ready to see what these look like in person, so let's go. Oh my goodness, these look perfect. They have a rustic industrial look, but they also look modern, and that's exactly what I was looking for. It's such a charming little seat with a tiny back to it, and I love it. I'm linking these bar stools down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to be the first to know about upcoming videos. You do not want to miss any of it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! At this point, I really just wish I had a stool sample, but not like a bowel movement stool sample. Okay, I'm gonna just stop.